Hi everyone, it's been a little bit. I want to share some of my new favorite products for the past couple of months with you. There's going to be skincare, makeup, and some accessories, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Thank you so much for being subscribed to the channel. Also go follow over on Instagram. I'll put the handle in the upper right hand corner for you. And let's jump right in. Let's start with makeup. We have two new eyeshadow palettes from Nomad, which is a great independent makeup company. And in fact, the eye look that I have for this video, I used a Nomad eyeshadow palette to create, but these two new ones are right here. I will not try to say the name of this palette in French because I don't speak French and I'll butcher it, but it is a French palette or French inspired palette. These are the beautiful, I would say very spring-like colors. And there are the shades up close, shimmery and matte, all embossed with unique little designs. But what's even cooler about this palette launch is that Nomad for the first time also launched lip glosses with the palette. So you have all shimmery, some of them are larger metallic shades, but all shimmery lip gloss shades, very pretty. And then even more recently is this eyeshadow palette. And this one is inspired by Costa Rica. Beautiful shades here. Again, mix of metallic and matte. Then we have the recent collection launches from Zoya. Got these super bright Hello Summer shades, loving these. And then moving into winter, we have Metallic Dreams and the Cafe Creams collections. Here are the creams shades with the pop of metallic. And here are the Metallic Dreams shades. I received a new purse from Teddy Blake. They make very high quality purses for a fraction of the price that you would normally have to pay with other luxury brands. Tons of different colors, different sizes, different styles of purses. I love the kind of deep red shade on this one. It is, I would say, a larger size, medium to larger sized purse. That's what it looks like inside, and then you have a zipper pocket. You can wear it with the shoulder strap or just with the handles. And I really like that you have three different choices for buckles here to tighten the opening at the top. This is actually my second purse from Teddy Blake. The first one that I had received a long time ago was kind of like deep blue shade, and I've been loving that one too. So definitely impressive and much more, like I said, affordable compared to your other purses that you have on the market. Gonna round out with skincare. I did a video testing and reviewing CeraVe's new makeup cleansing balm for you. So I not only go over the ingredients, the texture, the pricing, but I also show the product to you in action and how well it removes makeup. So I will link that in the upper right hand corner if you want to go check that out. And then speaking of favorite sunscreens, these are two fantastic sunscreens, but I also did a video kind of putting them head to head to see if this new one from Trader Joe's called the Daily Facial Sunscreen SPF 40 is a dupe for the much more expensive Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. Either way you go, these are fantastic sunscreens that go completely colorless and wear really nicely on the skin. And then two other sunscreens that I wanted to shout out that I've been really liking lately. This one is by Proactive. It's the Clear Skin SPF 30. This has a very fluid texture. It comes in an airtight pump dispenser. And I think the name is misleading because there's nothing in here that will promote acne fighting or give you clearer skin in that sense. So there's no salicylic acid in here or anything like that. It is a chemical-based sunscreen. It does not leave a white cast on me. And it's not actively mattifying, but I also don't find it to be greasy or unpleasant feeling. It's pretty fluid and lightweight. I tend to use this on my neck and on the décolletage or the chest area just because lately in the past few months I've exclusively used tinted sunscreens on my face, but even then I don't notice any sort of white cast left behind. And then this one from Dear Claire's, the All Day Airy Sunscreen. This has an SPF of 50 plus, PA++++, so this is more suitable for longer exposure in the sun. And again, this has a gel texture to it, completely colorless on the skin, very pleasant to wear on the skin, very lightweight, not greasy at all. All right, I think that's it. That was one of my quickest kind of favorites or new beauty video that I've done recently. Please let me know anything you're loving in the comment section below, any particular products that you want swatched or reviewed. Speaking of those Zoya nail polishes, I think I'm gonna go put this one on from the summer collection right now. This is the shade Charisma. Beautiful, bright, kind of fuchsia magenta-y color. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I hope you are having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Leave any comments, questions that you have in the comment section below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.